up, everybody? Nerdy Boy here, and I want to do some card openings. I picked up a few from work, so I have Vivid's Voltage, Breaking Point, and Fates Collide. Nothing spectacular, but just a small little thing I got today. I am trying to find more. Hopefully within the weekend I can go out and actually really look for good packs. But let's get to it, and as always, make sure you smack that like button. Follow me if you're not following, and be on the lookout. I'm gonna do some giveaways, or whatever, or raffles or anything like that. So let's start with a Fate Collide. I don't know what's in the Fate Collide packs. If you guys do know what's the best cards, comment below, let me know. 1, 2, 3. Let's say it's 3. So we started off with a Fossil, a Trainer, another Trainer, a Mimikyu, Mensicano, Mancy, whatever, Winsmer, Flanagan, Vovali, Lavitar, Reverse Hollow Energy, and a Montrim. Nothing pistacular. Nothing pistacular. Pistacular. Hopefully that's a new word. Next we're going with Breakage Voltage. I like the pack with the shiny Gyarados. Drawing a blank. Anyways. And here we go. We got a Heatmore. And we got a Trainer. And we got a nice Cloyster. We got a Gibble. We got a Meow. We got a Phantom. Or Phantom Trump. Psyduck. We got a Clefairy that is hypnotized by a Hypno. Bam. And I just saw the thing. And we got a Reverse Hollow Gibble. And ended on with the Tabata Toad. Nothing spectacular in that one either. Let's go with a Vivid Voltage. Now Vivid Voltage does have some good cards that I wish to pull, but who knows how it goes. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if it's 3 or 4 for Vivid Voltage, but we'll find out. We got a Swellow, a Trainer, a Charmeleon, a Duskull, an Electric Kite, a Pine Cone. Looks pretty cool. He's like over here chilling, and looks like the Brooklyn Bridge, baby. We got a Mudbray. We got a Poochyena. We got a Reverse Hollow Nikada. Oh, it was 3. We got a Psychic card. And we got a Argalash V. Argislash V. Alright, let's go with a Breaking Point. And if you guys are not following my Instagram, make sure you guys check that out. It's Nerdy Boy Trinidad. I do a lot of raffles, giveaways. 1, 2, 3, and I help other YouTubers try to do their raffles and giveaways by putting them on my page. So you guys should check it out. We got Double Blade, Single. Some of these names I don't know who makes them. Trainer, Pancham, Kick Rocks, Patil, Drowsy, dreaming of something sparkly. That's what we want. Something sparkly, drowsy. Come on. Corsola, a fortress seed. And Mega Scizor EX. That looks nice. Something shiny. Drowsy called it. Going back to Faith Collide. One, two, three. Starting off with a trainer. Another trainer. A Warmada. A Browser. Benaco? I don't know. Snubble under the bed, but he must have made a mess because he's about to get his butt kicked. We got a Relu. We got a Deerling. And we got a reverse hollow trainer card. And we got an Aerodactyl, non-holographic. Like the artwork, looks pretty cool. Just chilling on the skyscraper where Spider-Man and pretty much every Marvel hero be at. And on our way to a Vivid Voltage. One, two, three, four. Vivid Voltage is 4. We're gonna guess that energy. I'm gonna say fire. Oh shit, I'm good. Oh shoot. We got a Go-Go, Trainer, Metank or Metatank, a Drillbur, a Wilmer. You know, I don't even have a Wailord yet in Pokemon Go. I'm still trying to get that. If you guys play Pokemon Go, let me know your name. I'll add you onto my friends list. I do play a lot, but I don't got a lot. I mean, I have a lot of Pokemon. I think I did 3 regions already. Working on a couple. And we got a Clobopus. We got Electric Bike or Electric Kick, whatever you want to call it. We got a Wisdom Stadium, and we got a Fortress non-hollow. And our last Vivid Voltage pack. If you guys like these videos, make sure you smack that like. And as always, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you guys want to know, what you guys want me to get. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's guess that energy again. Let's go with Electric. Oh, Psychic. And we got an Energy. We got a Trainer. We got a Hitmontop. We got an Execute. We got a Woobat. We got a Beldum. We got a Blizzle. We got a Blob of Pudding. Milcery. We got a Croc. And we got a holographic Electro. That one looks nice. So that was our 2 main things. Was a Scizor and an Electro. Oh, we did get this V card. Other than that, the other card packs I don't really like. So definitely won't get those unless if you guys want me to. Then I will. And like I said, if you guys follow my Instagram, I have a huge Instagram follower there named Son and Pops. He's doing a raffle for a whole Trainer Elite box. One of these right here. He has one of these right now. $10 a spot. Come get lucky. He has it, not me. I opened mine because I wanted to win a Charizard, but it didn't happen. But definitely check him out. Son and Pops on Instagram. And definitely check my Instagram out, Nerdy Boy. And as always, guys, make sure you smack that like, comment below of what do you guys want to see, and tell me more about yourself. And as always, thank you. Enjoy your day, guys.